Morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 English Grammar. In our previous video we learned about how to use a and an article. Okay, so today we are going to learn about how to use the article. We use the before a noun when we talk about someone or something particular. The word the is used before nouns to refer to a particular person, place or things. You can see here students, this is a cupboard, any cupboard. This is the cupboard in which I keep my clothes. So this is a particular cupboard in which I keep my clothes. So here we have used the. We use the before before things that are only one of their kind. The sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the pole star, these all are the universal things. This is the one, so we are using the here. We use the before a noun when we have spoken about it earlier. I had an orange, any orange. I gave the orange to my friend. Here, particular orange which I gave to my friend. So, here we use the orange. The is used before noun if the context specifies what we are talking about. There are cases where the speaker and the learner already know the item that is being talked about. You can see here. Sunil kept some oranges in the fridge. The fridge in Sunil's house. So here particular fridge. So we use the. Sohini closed the door as soon as she entered the room. Here the door of her room. So room and door both are belong to Sohini. So we use the. This is the particular things. Generally, we do not use an article with proper nouns, name of people and places. However, we use the with some proper nouns, river, oceans, mountain, mountain ranges, famous buildings, some books or newspaper. We are using the. Rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Arabian Ocean. Okay, the word the is also used before the names of some famous places, buildings, statues and books. Okay, we are used the before the holy books. Now the exercise. Write a, an or the wherever required. Put a cross if no articles is needed. First one, beer. So what will be the answer, students? A beer. Now the next. Dash Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is the famous place. So what we do? We use the here. Okay. Now the next. Dash banana. A banana. Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is a holy book. So we use the. Smoke. Here we put a cross because no articles needed here. Okay. Now rest of all you have to done by yourself as a homework. C. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Days. National flag of India is hosted on national festival. So what will be the answer? National flag. So the national flag of India. Now the next. Doctor who treated me gave me dash chocolate. The doctor, because here we talk about specific doctor who treated me. So the doctor who treated me gave me a chocolate. Sonal opened dash door to let dash dog in. Sonal opened the door to let the dog in. Because here we are talking about door of Sonal's house. So particular door. So the door to let the dog in. Okay. Now rest of all you have to do by yourself as a homework. Now the next exercise. Rewrite the sentence using correct articles. Put a cross on the articles if it is not needed. I can see a moon through an window in my room. So what will be the correct sentence? I can see the moon, because this is the universal thing. This is the one, only one. So the moon through the window, because here particular window of my room. So the moon through the window in my room. Okay, now the next. Joseph is wearing an yellow jacket. So what will be the answer, students? Joseph is wearing, here you can see students, yellow word begins with consonant sound. Okay, so here we use a article, not n. Joseph is wearing a yellow jacket. Okay, now rest of all you have to do by yourself. Now the next exercise. Answer the following riddle. Use a, an or the in your answer. I am round and give out light. I appear at night in the sky. Oh yes, I change my shape too. So who I am? I am. So what will be the answer, students? What we can appear at night only? Round shape, give light. It's a moon. So what will be the answer, students? The moon. Okay. I am white and I am found in your mouth. In our mouth. I help you to eat your food. Who I am? What we can found in our mouth? White color? Yes, it's a teeth. So here we are talking about a one tooth. So I am a tooth. Okay. Now next two sentences you have to do by yourself. F. Tick right the correct option. Priya has gone to Paris to see dash Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is a famous place. So what we use? The. Priya has gone to Paris to see the Eiffel Tower. Okay. Now the next. How many articles are there in the following sentence? So now we have to read the following sentence. The 101 Dalmatians is a children's novel written by an English author, Rudy Smith. Now find the this is the article, right? The article, a article and an article. So how many articles in the sentence? There are 3 articles. So what will be the answer? It's a 3, right? Okay, now the next. Which of the following sentences are written correctly? First one. We saw a alligator in the zoo. So what will be the correct answer? Correct sentence? Correct sentence is we saw an alligator in the zoo, because alligator word begins with vowel sound A. Okay. So this is the wrong sentence. Okay. Now the next. The book you lent me was wonderful. This is the correct sentence. So we put here right mark. Okay. So now rest of all you have to do by yourself as a homework. Okay students. Thank you.